We're here as part of the National Reconciliation Strategy Committee, and we're very happy with what has transpired this afternoon here with the PDP family. We have all resolved, all of the parties, to work very closely together under the leadership of our performing Governor Seyi Makinde, and all the different areas of differences, all decided to put it aside and work towards ensuring that PDP is victorious not only in the state and the national. I want to commend all our stakeholders who have come, who have agreed that today is the beginning of a new chapter in Oyo State. And I also want to thank our governor as well for his commitment, as he said, that I'm a beneficiary of what the parties do, and I hope that when I finish my own term too, people in PDP will continue to benefit from that. So everybody here is committed in ensuring that PDP continue to work and strive very strongly here in Oyo State. No, I think it is the beginning, but actually we've started the process. The commitments have been made by the governor and the stakeholders, and that has started. Some steps have already been taken today. We're very confident for coming out of it that definitely there's a new dawn ahead of us here in Oyo State. And what we're just trying to do here today is consolidate on that, and also use that, as the from there, we also want to go into the southwest to ensure that PDP gets stronger. So I'm confident for what we've seen here. The caliber of people have attended, what they've expressed. The issues are not issues that are not surmountable, and the governor has made that commitment, and we all know him as a man that will deliver by his performance and antecedent. So we are confident, and I think the country also understands that today, if you're looking ahead, what is happening in the other parties, that the alternative for us in Nigeria today is in this party, and the belief that this party is a party and platform that will provide that future for us in making Nigeria a better place.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.